Good afternoon everyone, or good morning, or good evening, wherever you are in the world, whatever time you are watching this video. Good something. Today I wanted to film like a really chilled out video because I've not been here for so long, like 2 months or 2 months. You know, I feel like I just want to chat loads, and like I'm so excited to film those videos now. I don't know. Motivation is just like kicked into drive. And I have loads of ideas, and I like tried this look last night that I'm going to film tomorrow. So yeah, I'm pre-filming as well, so that means that any moment when I have a free chance, I'll film so that then I can definitely get a video out the next week. I can hear like loads of people screaming hell, hell, hell. I don't really know how long I have because, I mean, it's 3:15 and, you know, I don't know, sometimes it's darker, later some days, I don't know. It's really dark right now because the sun has been like, shut it off. Oh, can you tell I don't do English anymore? Okay, so today's video is going to be just like a random chatty chappers video where I'm gonna play around with makeup and just wing it and see what I come up with, because I always find those videos kind of fun. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close my eyes and like just point to a random palette. Then I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna randomly pick out an eyeshadow. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna randomly pick out a pigment, and I'm gonna look at what I have. What was that sentence? I'm going to look at all that I have and decide what I want to use. So it's not really like the blindfolded makeup challenge. I need to do that, by the way. It's not like the blindfolded makeup challenge. That's a completely different challenge. The random colours challenge, you know the one I'm talking about, hopefully. Where you just kind of like pick at random colours and like make a look out of it. I'm just gonna see what I pick out and then make a look from whatever I want to make a look out of. Sound good? I'm gonna quickly do that and then we'll be back. Okay, so I have like picked out a load of products. So what I have picked out, which I'm really pleased with, palette wise, the Naked Smokey palette. The colours, I've got a wide range of like the darks, I've got the lights, I've got all the mattes, I've got all the shimmers. So yes. The random single eyeshadow that I picked out was the MAC eyeshadow in Mythology, which is a luster, and it's really pretty. And the pigment that I picked out was this Stargazer eye dust in 23, which is like a khaki green. Oh wow, whoa, okay. That just went everywhere. I picked out some stuff that I wanted to use with that in mind. I've got quite a nude blush here. I've got some white eyeliner because I figured we'd do something like a white graphic eyeliner. Depends. We'll see how the look comes out. Might be a bit... Stop! Might be a bit too much. Okay, let's zoom in. I've got my Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid as a base, blending it out with a finger. You can use a primer on the eyelid if you'd rather. Okay, I'm just taking some powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Peach Glow. We're going to go on the eyelid with this, just to set that concealer down. Naked Smokey, let's go. I'm going to go in with Combust first on that same brush that I just used. And I'm gonna apply this in the crease. And now I'm taking another brush and I'm gonna use Whiskey. And I'm gonna get really close in that crease. Okay, I'm going to take that same colour Whiskey and I'm going to take it down onto the outer corner. Okay, I'm now going to take a very small amount of black and I'm going to apply this right in that outer corner right there. And go with a brush and brush out. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the concealer that I used earlier as a base, and I'm going to put a bit of that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use a small tiny brush to create a cut crease. I'm going to use 13 just to set that concealer down. I think I want to use the pigment, so I'm going to use that. I'm just now laying down this adhesive called liquid sugar. Just as a base for the pigment, and I'm going to apply this to the eye. Mind frame. Yes. I've done that. I'm now going to take the same brush that I used earlier for the whiskey shade, and I'm going to go on the outer corner and just blend. I don't want to apply any more colour there, I just want to blend it out. Like that. Right, I'm going to quickly do the other side. Okay, so I have zoomed back out because now I'm going to do foundation. For foundation, I don't know if I want to use this one or not. I've got the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in 01 Creamy Vanilla, which is too dark for me, even though this is the lightest shade, which is really annoying. But I mean, I think I'm gonna do maybe like one pump, like half pump. Do you see how orange that is? Like compared to my skin tone? I'm gonna be like a full pump of the Revlon Colourstay in Ivory. Like this is their like third lightest shade. This is their lightest shade. Like, come on. It's Don't do this to me. Okay. Just putting this on with a sponge because sponges are the way of life. I'm actually gonna contour first because I want to do cream contour and I want to use the light shade to like line it up afterwards. So I'm using this Makeup Obsession contour cream in light medium. Take a brush, foundation brush, and go in. Is it just me or does that look really orange? Okay. I'm just gonna blend it out using a sponge. I'm gonna go up here on my forehead. It's gonna start getting dark soon. I just know it is. Because it's 4:45. No, it's 4:10. I'm gonna go under the lip. And nose. Perfect. I want a softer contour. I know we're doing a cut crease, but like not a noticeable cut crease. So, oh damn it, and it's all transferred under the lid. So now I'm gonna just use some concealer and I'm gonna go under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, under the jawline, everywhere I usually put concealer. I'm taking it down a bit further than I usually do under the eyes. Forehead, chin. I don't blend that out. Then going along that contour line just to sharpen it up. Then we really do have some cutthroat cheekbones. Now going into powder using the powder I mentioned earlier, the Rimmel powder. And I'm gonna powder everywhere. This should soften the contour as well a little bit, which I want. Right, we are going to go back to the eyes. I decided against the white eyeliner. I still want to have like a white eyeliner moment, but not like full white eyeliner. So I'm going to use black, and I'm going to line my eyes and create a little wing. I'm now going in with my white liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to create like a second wing underneath the black one. I need to put something on my lower lash line as well, but I kind of forgot. But we're going to do this first. Right. I'm now going to go ahead and use Whiskey. And I'm going to use this along the lower lash line. Just for something under there. I'm going to take that blackout shade and I'm going to go really close to the lash line, right on the outer corner. Just on the outer corner, because I want to do something else on the inner corner. Along with the pigment, I also picked out that MAC eyeshadow, mythology, not criminology, that's a subject. And I'm going to use some of that. And it's kind of like a coppery red shade, so it's going to go really nicely with the green. So I'm just going to go, I just draw my contact lens on the inner corner of the lower lash line. I'm going to go in the same brush and I'm going to use High from that palette, the Naked palette. And I'm going to apply this to the inner corner as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to quickly put a little bit of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on in the waterline. I'm going to use such a small amount. I want to give the effect that the white on the outer corner is continuing along the lower lash line. So yes, I'm now really quickly going to apply some mascara. I'm using this number 7 Dramatic Lift mascara. I'm going to apply some falsies from Ardell. These are the wispies. And I'm also going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera using the NYX eyebrow pencil in taupe. Right, I'm now going to move back onto the face and apply some blush. For blush, I'm going to be using this new one from MAC, which I purchased as part of my birthday gift card thing. Yay. It is in Melba and it's a matte powder blush. I really wanted a more nude shade, but I think nude colours look really weird with my skin tone. So I like how this one has a bit more of like a peachy tone to it. So I thought it'd be really nice with this eye look. That white in the waterline literally makes my eyes look like a doll. Not sure how I feel about the white. Highlighter. I'm going to be using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralised Skin Finish. This is a classic. I love it. It has beautiful gold tones to complement the gold tones in this pigment that I have on my eyelids. Cupid's bow. And on the brow bone. Chin, why not? Let's go. Last step is lips. I don't know what I want to do for the lips, so let's have a look. Right, I'm going to be using this I Heart Makeup Lip Lava Liquid Lipstick. Doesn't say the shade. That's great. It will be linked in the description box, so, you know, if you want to know what it is, go check that. So I'm just going to use this on the lips. It actually matches the blush perfectly, so I love that. I'm now going to use a little bit of this MAC lip glass in Spice. And yes, lip glass. lip gloss. I don't know, I had to say that like 5 times. I'm gonna use this lip gloss from MAC on my lips. Applying most of it to the centre for that glossy plumping effect. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see next. Also, what do you think of the white in the eyes? I don't know how I feel about it. I'm trying to fix the lighting. I've got my like spotlight mirror thing on right now. So that should make it a little bit brighter, but I mean, it's getting dark outside already. It's 4:15 now, so yeah, time to close off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said before, yada yada yada, goodbye.